Hey, good morning, YouTube. Welcome to your Wednesday, May 1st analysis. We got the crypto total market cap here, excluding BTC's mcap. So I wanted to look at this real quick to explain to you that even the market cap you can do technical analysis on, because this is a cumulative movement of all alts, right? If you think about it. So for the most part, even though we are on a nice ascending movement in the crypto market cap, kind of like this, right? And then we have a fan movement like that. We're sort of coming really close to breaking past this ascending trend line right here. This is why I wanted to mention this analysis right now, is because we have yet to test this area as support for the crypto market cap. All right, and as you can see, we've been trapped in this descending trend line right here. Okay, so if this first trend line is broken, more often than not, you'll probably fall to the next support level, which should probably bring the rest of the crypto market cap down here anywhere between 62 billion and 60 billion dollars. Okay, now what does that mean and why will that happen? Okay, well, think about it like this. Okay, with Bitcoin now moving, let's go to Bitcoin. Right? With Bitcoin now steadily moving back up, what exactly happens to alts? Well, people do not have that much confidence in alts when BTC is consistently moving up, okay? People have confidence in alts when BTC essentially moves sideways. Why? Because they want volatility, they want easy money. But when BTC is the one that's making that easy money, people do not feel confident, and especially algos and traders are more confident in BTC because they know that BTC can essentially destroy any movement produced by the alts. So for the most part, alts are going to go down in market cap, right? While BTC is going to go up already, okay? And then what's going to add fuel to the fire is when BTC goes up even sharply, more alts will get devalued because people will see that, hey, my alts aren't making any money. If anything, they're losing the Satoshi value because BTC is going up, and that means that people will jump out of alts and into BTC and pushing BTC higher. Okay, now this has essentially been part of my logic for BTC as well for a little while, because I truly believe that BTC still has a higher way to go, at least towards 5,800, maybe even, you know, low 6,000s. Why? Because we've had consistent movement, guys, from way down here. You know, once we bounced off here in February, we've had nice higher lows in this entire structure, not broken it just yet, and we keep on moving up. Okay, so the next challenge is to break the high of these two wicks right here, which is about 5650. And this is almost perfect because this sort of came up in this big supply block right here. Okay, now supply is nothing but, you know, people who are previously trapped in this area or people who are sellers in this particular area. Okay, so when BTC started dropping from 6,000, there's a lot of people who bought up Bitcoin because they thought that this would be the ending of the drop, and they got trapped by this big dumpy candle. And they probably didn't sell all the way down here because, you know, they were too much underwater. And so now they're thinking that, oh, well, prices are going to come back up and they're going to hit this block again. I'm just going to sell, break even, and get out. Okay, these are the people that essentially help create the supply block, aside from other sellers too. Okay, what this does really is it creates an area where there's a lot of, you know, sellers waiting to sell their Bitcoin. Why? Because these people right here, all they want to do is break even on their position. Okay, a majority of human psychology and financial markets is people just not getting in at the right time, not knowing exactly when to sell, not knowing when to take profit, and they essentially hold off till they're breaking even because they don't understand market dynamics, and they sell right here when prices pull back, and then prices just shoot up, and then they are the same ones who are going to buy even higher. Okay, this is literally a majority of people and how they operate in, you know, tradable markets, guys. So I would not be surprised if that same thing is going to happen here. But as you can see, these people don't understand, and a lot of sellers don't understand, that we keep consistently pushing, you know, higher lows and creating higher highs, right? Remember, I told you yesterday that higher lows and higher highs are the best sign of a market still showing strength. Okay, and this market still at 5,300 is still showing strength. Okay, and the perfect example is if we start going down on smaller time frames. Once we broke out of this, bear pennant to the upside, you can see we had a perfect retest of this resistance right here, this 52.22, moved on up past 5,300, perfect retest as support again, and now we're moving up again. This is exactly how you want to see price action, okay guys? Perfect style of movement. All right, so with that being said, our targets remain at 56, 5,800, and 6,000. Okay, let's go to Ethereum and see how that's doing. I'm still waiting on ETH to sort of show me signs of strength where it can break over this 160 block right here successfully, because it was resistance so many times, right? Resistance right here, right here, right here, turn support, now resistance again right there. Okay. Also, this descending trend line has been holding Ethereum down, and Ethereum has still not crossed it. So two signs that I'm waiting for is break of 160 and break of this descending trend line to get into Ethereum. LTC, sort of the same way, trapped in this descending trend line as well as this falling wedge. It did bounce nicely off this middle channel right here, formed in February and March for LTC. Now I'm really waiting for this line to be broken. Once that's broken, my target becomes about $84 to $85. All right. Here are some free trades that I wanted to give you guys for watching our content. And please join Cryptosomniac.com if you want more content like this. I give updates like this every day, guys. And we provide, multiple trades and information for our community. Again, none of it's financial advice. It's just information that you can use for yourself. Okay, so here's RDN, moving perfectly down. Sell side volume is decreasing. We see prices coming down towards this critical support right here, right around 4750, 4800. And once we catch that bounce off this, there are three targets in mind that I have. 6200, which is about a 15% target, 7700, which is about a 42% target, and a high of 9200, which is about a 72% target. This might play out over the next month or two, but it's looking like it's going to play out really well because RDN loves this support. But again, I started off this video by saying that, I do believe that the crypto market cap does need to suffer just a little bit for Bitcoin to move up, and alts like Raiden Network might take that fall. I mean, this support doesn't really mean anything, right? Especially if BTC craps on us. We've seen time and time again, there's no such thing as supports that matter for most alts because they fall really fast, really hard when BTC goes down fast or up fast even, right? But this is a chance and a probability that we take in trading that, hey, if this level has been respected multiple times, we expect this level to be respected at least one more time to catch a nice bounce off it, some fairly easy profit, and get in and get out. Okay, I hope this analysis has helped you. This is essentially all I have for today's analysis. The weekly is looking pretty good. Actually, the monthly did close yesterday, so let me show you guys that real quick. Here's how the monthly closed, okay? Almost beautifully, 3 bullish months in a row, something that we haven't seen since the 2017 bull market days. So very positive sign for BTC in my opinion, and I expect prices to keep on moving higher. All right. That's all I got, folks. Quick 10-minute update for y'all, and hope you enjoy. Cheers.